This is the new magic arm from DigitalFoto. This is the Iron-311QD, and I tell you, really good. Hi guys, I'm Johnny from CineD, and I'm here with Malcolm from DigitalFoto. Malcolm, how are you?
I'm good today. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you very much. We're at the DigitalFoto booth, and I have to say it's quite packed. You guys cannot see it because the camera is, in the other side. I mean, the whole thing, the setup is in the other side. But before we even start, since the first time that you are talking, can you please just tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do in life?
Yep. So I am a Steadicam operator in DOP, or a cinematographer. I'm also an actor and stuntman. I've been in the industry for around 13 years, and I've been working behind the camera for around 9 or 10 years in total.
So you are here acting as a DigitalFoto ambassador or a presenter, or how would you?
I would probably label myself as a spokesperson. I know a lot about the equipment and have used a lot of the equipment in real working environments. So I can talk honestly and truthfully about the quality of the products and the way the products can be used and are used in real working environments. So I'm a spokesperson for DigitalFoto.
No, I think the most important thing, and that's what I take from what you just said, that you are an operator. You are working with some of the stuff on the field, and then you have an honest opinion. And I think that's what really counts. And this time we're going to talk about a new magic arm. Now, guys, sometimes you think, how much can you talk about a magic arm? This is obviously a product that we've seen before in different types.
Yep.
But maybe you want to hold it for a second and just tell me and the audience what's the strength of this particular one.
Okay, so this one is our new Iron-311QD range. So the 11.
Got to love the names.
Yeah, they're very, very long and complex, but there are some key elements in there. So in the 311, the 11 is the length, so it's 11 inch. And the Q is the range, but the D actually means dampening. So what we have here, and the nicest thing for me about this product is we have two payload capacities with this. So we have 2.5 kilos vertically and 5 kilos horizontally. But for example, if we put this on top of our camera or a system and we have a monitor on it, and it's quite a heavy monitor, say we're loading it out around 2-3 kilos or whatever. If we want to adjust this, if we're using a standard magic arm with teeth, we have to undo it all the way. If we're juggling things, we have to potentially worry about the risk of it falling or dropping. The amazing thing about this magic arm is the dampening effect. So it means we can keep it locked off, so it's holding the pressure, but we can still move it with a bit of force and it'll hold. So it means that we don't have to worry about unlocking this and it falling or worrying about finding the teeth. And obviously the teeth are about 1 mil or so apart. So we're almost limited to how we move it. This has maximum amount of range, like I said, dampening. So you don't have to unlock it completely and you're not worrying about anything falling or hitting the camera if you're trying to juggle things. So that's what's really nice about this.
Have you ever a chance to work with this in the field?
No, I've only actually used this first time in the field here. And it is really good. It's a new product from us. So this is pretty much the first time we're showcasing it. So obviously coming to the show was the first time I actually got to get my hands on it as well.
And it's made out of what? I mean, it looks very sturdy.
Yeah, it's pretty much steel and aluminium. Obviously, steel in the right places and aluminium to keep the weight down. The structure of the main body of it, I believe, is an aluminium alloy to keep it light. Obviously, that's the main bulk of it, and then obviously the other parts are steel because that's where we need the strength.
Great. How about pricing and availability?
Pricing and availability. I believe at the moment the main place you can get it from is the DigitalFoto website. I believe that depending on the territory, you can get it from Amazon and stuff as well. The price at the moment at the show here is 125 euros. I don't know what it'll be at the moment on obviously individual retailers around the world or whether it be Amazon, but at the moment, 125.
Okay. And availability?
Availability, I believe it's available now. So obviously if you can jump on obviously your individual retailers wherever you are in the world or Amazon, you can get it from there.
Anything that I missed or you want to tell more? I mean, in a way, it's a very simple product.
Yes.
It's one of those that either it's working well or you just leave it because it's a waste of time.
Yeah. It's really hard, obviously, in this industry to develop new products. There's obviously things that we can do to make products better. And the difference between this and other magic arms, not just that dampening effect, it has an F22 head with RE locking pins. So it means we can rotate that around. So if we had a monitor this way and we wanted a quick change, we could just turn it 90 degrees, slide it straight back in, and it locks into place. Retractable RE locking pins. Obviously, if we're attaching our 1/4-inch screw to a cage and it doesn't have, you know, the locking pin holes, these retract so it can still attach and not be off balance. It also has a 3/8-inch and a 1/4-inch attachments on the actual arm. It actually has 4 of these, one on each side. And even one thing I really like, I know it's really simple, but it has a little cable tidy on each side. So if you're running monitors and stuff, you can run your cables. I like to keep things really neat, especially if I'm doing Steadicam stuff. Obviously, we don't want cables flying everywhere. So this is a really, really nice touch to keep those cables neat and tidy.
Great, good. Malcolm, thank you very much for explaining a simple product in a simple way.
Thank you so much.
Effective way. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.